for today's video, as you can see, we are going to discuss all about the understanding errors. So, medyo matagal-tagal din bago din ako nag-start dahil nga, like what I've always said, talagang bihira na ako mag-vlog di ako mag-vlog ng sunod-sunod because I have a lot of schoolworks. And now, ito lang, ngayon ko na may sisingit. At ngayon din lang ako magko-continue ng lesson natin ng statistics due to my sa sobrang basic ko sa physics and chemistry. Ayun. So, ito na nga, understanding errors. Kasi ma-apply nyo to sa inyong research next SEM, which is practical research 2. Kasi practical research 2 nyo is, tawag dito? Quantitative na kayo. Okay? Wait a minute. Okay, going back. So, yun na nga. Ayan, nagpakita na ako ng mukha. Ngayon, kasi sa research nyo, na kayo? Quantitative na kayo sa grade 12. Sa grade 11 kasi, quantitative, kaya it's fine na wala pa kayong statistical treatment. Ngayon, so, let us start bago pa kumaba yung Ngayon, in understanding errors, in hypothesis testing, we make decisions about null hypothesis. Ito yung say null hypothesis, meaning wala siyang significant difference base sa relationship ng inyong i-research. No? Then, of course, maraming risk sa paggawa natin ng desisyon. Kasi hindi naman ganun kadali ang mag-desisyon. Kaya it takes time, di pa nga? It takes time pa bago kayo mag-decide. Diba? Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng null hypothesis. And of course, ayun na nga. When we conduct a hypothesis test, there are 4 possible outcomes. Ngayon, this is the table. Ito ay naano ko siya sa libro, actually. Okay. In decisions about the null hypothesis. And this is the reality. Okay. When the null hypothesis is true and you reject it, you're committing the type 1 error. Second reality, the null hypothesis is false, however, you reject it. You made a correct decision. Balik tayo dun sa true. Ngayon, the null hypothesis is true and you do not reject or accept it, meaning you got a correct decision. However, if you accept the null hypothesis when it's false, you're committing the type 2 error. I hope you all got. So ngayon, ibig sabihin yan, you got a type 1 error. Sabi natin, understanding errors ang lessons natin. So meaning, dalawang types ng errors natin, which is type 1 and type 2. The type 1 error that you can commit when you reject the truth. And somehow, if you accept the false or a lie, you are committing a type 2 error. I hope you all get my point. Let us go in first situation. Let's talk about Maria's age, as you can see at the title. Maria insists that she is 30 years old. Ang claim niya sa sarili niya that she is 30 years old. This is your null hypothesis. Okay? When, in fact, ito pala ang nyo, null hypothesis. When, in fact, she is 32 years old. What error is Mary committing? Sabi niya, 30 years old siya, however, in reality, 32 years old siya. So, that question, anong error ang kinumit niya? First error or second error? Sorry. So, ngayon nakita nyo na. So, meaning, if your answer is that she commits a type 1 error, you are correct. Bakit? Kasi she was rejecting the truth. What is the truth? That she is 32. And what did she claim? That she was a 30 years old. So meaning that she is committing a type 1 error. Second situation, entitled Roger's hairline. Roger says that he is not bald. His hairline is just receding. What is receding? Nababawasan. Ngayon, ano ang inyong null hypothesis? The hairline is just receding. Pero, ang kiniklaim niya, hindi siya kalbo. So, balik sa pinag-usapan ay for further confidence. So, going back, sabi nga natin, his hairline is receding. This is our null hypothesis. Okay. And like what I've said, like what we have read, that he is claiming that he is not bald. Is he committing an error? If so, what type of error? Now, if you think or guess that he is committing a type 1 error, well, you are not mistaken. So, bakit? Yes, a receding line indicates balding. Sabi nga natin, naglalagas ang buhok niya. Pero ibig sabihin nun, road to baldness na siya. Okay? And this is a type 1 error. Kasi ang kiniklaim niya, hindi daw siya nakalbo. Hindi daw siya kalbo. Pero ang totoo, naglalagas ang buhok niya. So meaning, pakalbo siya. Pakalbo siya. Okay? Next. Ngayon, ito pa. Meron pang another decision. Roger's action may be to find remedial measures to stop him. Kasi sabi niya, is just receding. So, meaning gagawa niya ng paraan para hindi siya makalbo. Okay. Pero that is the fact, pakalbo siya. But he rejects it. So, meaning that he commits a type. Next, a monkey eating eagle hunt. A man plans to hunting a Philippine monkey eating eagle. Sabihin niyo, monkey eating eagle. Believing that it is a proof of his mettle. Parang, tawag dito, gano'n siya kagaling, kalakas, gano'n. What type of error is this? 5 seconds to guess. Now, if you think that he is committing a type 2 error, well, you are not incorrect. So, dahil hunting the Philippine eagle is prohibited by law. Sabihin, hindi hinahayaan ng batas o na manghuli ng Philippine eagle, which is our national bird of the Philippines. Thus, it is not a good sport. Hindi kasi wild animal ang eagle. So that means it's not a good sport. Delikado. It's very dangerous. It is a type 2 error. Ay, ayun na nga. Type 2 error since it is prohibited by law. Since hunting the Philippine monkey-eating eagle is against the law, so the man may find way himself in jail. Maaari siyang makulong. If he still claim na manghuli ng Philippine monkey-eagle, Philippine monkey-eating eagle rather, against the law. Ano ba nangyayari pagka sumusuway tayo sa batas? Diba nakukulang, may parusa. So, yun lang din. He rejects he accept the fault. Diba? Na manghuli. That is false. Which is the truth is hindi pwede. Okay? That's why it is considered that he is committing a type 2 error. Now, for more explanation, in decisions that we make, we form conclusion, and these conclusions are the base of our action. And that is the base of how you conduct your research as to conduct a conclusion regarding to your hypothesis. But this is not always the case in statistics because we make decisions based on sample information. Halimbawa kayo, nag-research kayo, gumawa kayo ng survey or interview, nakadepende yon kung paano nyo pagdesisyonan yung conclusion ninyo. If you're going to reject or accept the null hypothesis or reject or accept the alternative hypothesis. The best that we can do is to control the probability. Paano natin siya makokontrol? Is the base of your respondents or samples that you have been gathered. Which errors occurs. The probability is committing a type 1 error is denoted by a Greek letter alpha, while the probability of committing a type 2 error is denoted by beta. Ngayon, as you can see at the table, if you're going to reject the truth, or if you're going to reject the null hypothesis, meaning you commit a type 1 error, which can be valued as a margin of error. Same with the second probability, accept the false. So that means that you are committing the type 2 error and has also the margin of error. And this probability from the correct decision that you have is the level of confidence. The type 1 error may be correct if you are going to accept the truth. And same with the type 2 error. To make it correctly, you're going to reject the false. So that's how you can make the 2 errors to be correct. Now, so as of now, this is done. So for more information, just wait for my next video all about the formulating hypothesis. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.